Hello and welcome back. I hope y'all had an awesome morning. So for today's math lesson, you're going to complete the math Nearpod lesson in Google Classroom. And remember, you can use your math notebook. So you're going to refer back to your notes that you took last week for day 1 of addition to 100 using base 10 model. You're going to refer back to your notes for day 2, adding with partial sums, to help you solve the word problems in today's Nearpod lesson. Please don't forget to make sure that you're answering all the questions completely and showing your work. Also, today you should be working on your 5th activity in your math choice board, and don't forget that's due today. So you should have 5 activities completed in your math choice board for today. So all those activities should have an X on them, and you should have fully completed them. And don't forget to turn in your math Nearpod lesson when you're done, and also your math choice board. I hope y'all enjoy today's math lesson. Bye, guys.